can't wait one more minute! I can practically hear the pancakes calling my name! Wait! Here they come now!
You said you wanted pancakes.
Yep, thanks, I guess. Whoa! This isn't quite what I had in mind. You call this a pancake?
Yep.
It says 5 stars! That's why we're here!
Whoa, would you look at that?
I can't look at those anymore. Ugh! I could make them better than this.
Oh, yeah? Then show me your skills. You! And you!
Whoa! Where are we?
You want pancakes? Then let's play the pancake challenge! Let's get cooking!
Jeez, ouch.
Just look at that guy!
Huh? Hey!
Hey, chef! Oh, sorry, let's start. BadaBOOM!
Whoa! We totally got this. Let's get started! Tio, we love you! You have my heart, Kendall! Woohoo! That's interesting. Tio, we got you!
Yeah!
Aw, thanks, chef! We may be creating the same thing, but our styles are totally different. And when there are words involved, you've gotta be very strategic. Now to fill in the empty space. Wait, yours is backwards. Whatever, too late to change it now. Yes! Yes!
Tio? Nope.
Aw, man. Sorry, guys.
Does that mean Kendall? Woo!
Huh? Alright, hand it over! We did it! Huh? Brian? He made money off of me.
Huh? Hey, what happened?
We're so sad.
I'll fix it.
Huh? Is Chef playing music? It's so beautiful!
Oh boy.
He's the worst juggler ever!
Hey, what's going on? We're not sad. We're just cutting up onions. Anyway, can we get back to pancakes? Fake tears this time. I guess we can give it a try.
This is way better than cutting onions. How hard can it be to make a cry laugh emoji?
Whoa! Here come the tears! Do they look realistic enough? At least the yellow really helps.
Nearly done!
Hey, these both aren't bad, right? What? Absolutely not!
Did he just really say that?
Yeah.
He's meaner than onions! So hilarious, right?
Whoa! When did he get in here? You two are so gullible. It's me, Chef!
Phew. Do you mind?
Try making this.
Oh, now I get it. It's a theme! We so got this.
Hard to draw this freehand, though. Have to be honest.
Mine's not bad. But these little shapes are tricky.
Ooh, that was pretty smooth. Those little details can be hard with the thick batter here. Almost finished.
Oh no! I went outside the lines! Mine's ruined!
This one's a no-brainer. That's me! Woohoo!
Yes!
And Kendall, you lose.
But…
Wait. It's time to come with me now.
Wait. Let's talk about this. You can't just take me away! Help! Tio!
Yikes.
Alright, Chef. What's next?
Recognize this little guy? So So cute.
Pokemon?
I'm so gonna win this round. Trust me. Let's just get cooking, shall we?
Freehanding this little character isn't as easy as it may seem at first. Do these things look like Pokemon to you? Maybe once they're all finished.
Ooh, this red should be good. And once the yellow comes in, there's no mistaking who it is.
Don't forget his arms and his cute little tail. I know how to win this round. Missing a little green.
Kendall! You wanna play dirty, huh?
No! He's burned to a crisp!
All okay?
You had that coming to you.
This round's all yours, Tio.
Yes!
Serves you right.
Whatever. Hey, Chef!
Get ready for this. Go! Well, this used to be my hat.
A chef's hat? I think we can manage that. I've never drawn a chef's hat before, now that I think about it. But they aren't that complicated. Very nice, Tio.
A pop of color can be nice.
Look how different they look. I guess anything can be up for interpretation. Even something simple like a chef's hat. You think you're gonna win?
This one's gonna be close. I know my chef's hats. And you both nailed it!
Aw, we did it! What's next, Chef?
In the mood for cupcakes? Oh. That's embarrassing. Cupcakes, yeah!
Gross! It smells like rotten eggs!
Sorry about that, kids. All better.
Oh my gosh, yes! We're on it!
Chef's smelly mishap has inspired us to go a different route. Ick. Instead of cupcakes, the poop emoji seems more appropriate.
You call that art? We'll just see about that. I think mine's gonna win.
Just depends on which one Chef likes best. It's flippin' time! There! Look!
Wow, here comes mine.
Not bad.
What do you think?
Chef, look it! Those aren't cupcakes? Gotcha! I guess you both can win this one. Ooh, taste it! Mmm. Definitely tastes better than it looks.
Ow! Hot! Ugh! My tongue! Ugh!
Oh, I'm starving. Time for good old-fashioned hotcakes. Let's do it! My hand!
Stack of old-fashioned pancakes coming right up!
This is making me hungry. Don't want to wait too long to flip them. They look great! Just need one more thing.
Or maybe two more things. This is gonna be epic!
Just look at all that sweet goodness!
These definitely aren't your average pancakes!
Mmm. Almost done with those. You both win!
Teamwork, baby!
Hey, catch! Whoa! We're back at the restaurant! Let's dig in! Unless… Chef? Oh.
I guess we can share.
Let me see here. Oh, yeah.
Mmm. These look divine!
So gooey yet firm. Turns out we're pretty good cooks.
Cheers to us! In the mood for some pancakes? Who could blame you? Try holding your own baking contest and let us know how it turns out. Watch these yet? Be sure to subscribe so you're always in on the fun!